In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make these beautiful car diffusers completely natural with just essential oils. My name is Mandy Sommers. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. So let's jump right in. The very first thing that you want to do is grab your base oil. So I've got my base oil. We're using jojoba oil today, and I simply just put some in my measuring cup here. I am doing just about 2/3 of a cup today because I'm going to fill a number of these to give away and also to sell. The next thing that you want to do is decide on the scent that you're going to use. So today we're actually going to use peppermint essential oil because I really like how uplifting it is. It's also an oil that brings a lot of energy into the space, and so when we're driving, we definitely want to be able to keep awake and alert. So I thought that would be a great one, and I'm going to mix it with one of my favorite blends, which is Citrus Bliss. Citrus Bliss is very uplifting and it's a happy oil, and sometimes, especially if you're a mom with young kids, the car can be a little stressful. So I thought between the two, we're going to stay alert and happy and aware. Depending on how much you're going to create, you'll only need a few drops per car diffuser to permeate the car. We're going to do about 60 drops of essential oils. So I'm going to take my Citrus Bliss and I'm going to do 30 of the Citrus Bliss and 30 of the peppermint. So I'll just count through that. The beautiful thing about citrus oils is they come out really quickly. They're not a thick oil like a vetiver or some of the floral oils are a little bit thicker, so they take a little bit longer. And if that's the case, I actually like to pop the top off. The way that I do that is I simply take this cap and just push it right up against the orifice, and then I have taken the cap off, and then you can actually just dump what's in there. And this one was almost empty, and so that's the perfect bottle to show that on, so I can make sure and get every single drop out. And then I'm going to take my peppermint, do the same thing. Now this one is a full peppermint, so I'm not going to pop the top off. I'm just going to count the drops that go in there. Peppermint not only is energizing, but it's also very cooling, so it's a great oil in the summer to just diffuse. And also, I love putting it in a spray bottle, and I have another DIY that shows you how to do this, to spritz on the back of your neck while you're hiking, biking, while you're outside. It's great. Okay, so now that we've got that, today I'm actually going to use this little squeeze bottle that I have, because when I was using pipettes, when I first made these, we made like 100 of them for Christmas. I went through like, I don't know, 20 pipettes to like do all of them because they're flimsy. And so I thought, you know what, I'm going to try this instead. We'll fill that up, and that's what I'm going to use to pour into my car diffusers. Squeeze that in. You're going to have, this is the diffuser part right here, and then this is the part that you're going to put the oil in, and then you'll have your diffuser. So anytime you're in the car, you just flip it over, it will diffuse a little bit more, and then you'll just hang it there, and it smells absolutely amazing. These do come with little caps, so if you're going to sell them or send them away, you just want to pop that on there and then tell your customer to pop that off when they're ready to use it. You know, when I was in Hawaii, I actually bought one of these for $8 in one of the stores. And there you have it. Quick and easy, less than 10 minutes. This craft is amazing to give away, or even if you want to sell it. These are awesome. I love including instructions with these so that people know exactly how to use them. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video.